Hello again, one more time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Not one more time, a lot of more times, inshallah. In this time, we will make a game. It's a student exam game. It's like more application than a game. Okay? In this application or game, it's a small, simple game. We will learn lists in programming. We will apply on lists that we take in the theoretical lesson of this session or something like that. Let's go. We will have two lists. The first list is the names of the students, and the second list is the degree of the students. Hello. Before we go to not continue to make the game, let's see how to download the IDE that we will make the game inside it. The IDE is mBlock. We will just write in the Google download mBlock, and we will go to the first page, download page, and after that we will go down, choose if you want the web version, but I don't recommend it. PC version, yes, I recommend it, and also another versions as you see. Okay, so I will go to mBlock PC version, Windows or MacBlock. This is the version 5.4.3. I don't recommend this version because it's not good enough. We have some bugs, so just go to previous version and you will find 5.4.0. yes, this one I recommend it so much. Download it for Mac or for Windows. For me it's Windows, so I will click Windows download. After that it will begin downloading. Now it's finished. You will find it like that. Just click and yes, after that it will install. mBlock is running. Click OK to close it because I am running it already in my computer. After that you will click finish and everything is okay. If something like that appears, just click install and click finish. Now you can open it. Let's go. Hello everybody. Before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my academy account. This is the academy page, and this is my Facebook page. This link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue. Okay, and we have this robot. This robot will ask us, what's your name, what's the student name, and this robot will save the name, and after that the robot will ask us about the degree and save the degree in the degrees, just like that. So first we will go new project and go to sprite and delete the sprite and also delete the device because we will make a new sprite and a new device. Okay, and we will go to background and put a background, any one of them like this. Okay, we can use panda sprite, by the way. If we want to change it, it's okay, you can delete it and choose another sprite. Easy, huh? After that we will go to variables and make a list. This list we will call it names and make another list and call it degrees. By the way, when you make the list you find a lot of other blocks appear. We will use them right now, just concentrate. Now the other list is degrees, the degrees of every student. We will put one of them. Yeah, you can hide it or make it show it like what you see, and we will put one of them in the left side of the screen and the other one in the right side of the screen. Now we will begin programming with the green flag event. This event is an action. When this action happens, another programming blocks will be implemented or will be executed, running, something like that. Okay, so we will use when green flag. When green flag, like when I click the green flag, you see it, the green flag under the game, directly under the game. After that I will choose forever. Forever is a loop, repeat the code inside it. Repeat it until when? Until the game stops. Forever, as long as the game is running, it will repeat the code inside it. Okay, now I will choose ask what's your name. Ask will make a text field appear in the lower part of the screen, and I will write anything, what's your name or what's the student name. For example, And when this ask appear, you will find something like text field appear in the lower part of the screen. In this text field, it will be the answer of this ask, because ask is a question. So in what you will write in the text field will be the answer. Just concentrate with me and you will see everything. Okay. After you write the answer, we will add this answer inside the names, because the name of the student will be in the names, like will be added to names. I go to variables, lists. Yeah, you see now what's the student's name, but yeah, the question is not appeared. Now, what's the student name? And you find the text field appear in the lower part of the screen. Now, if I write anything here and click enter, it will be added to names, the list of names, as you see, because this is what I programmed here. Okay. Now, after this question, I wanted to ask another question. What's the degree of Islam? Islam, he will write, or it will write the name of the student. Okay. And after that, ask about the degree of this student. And we will write the degree, and it will put it in the degree list. It's like list for students and degrees of the students. Now I will use ask again, but this time I will say ask what's the degree of Islam. I want to say the name of the student. Okay, so how can I say the name of the student? I know that the name of the student is inside answer, the answer of the last question. Okay, so I will take it. I will take it how? By Joy. Just concentrate and you will see. I can't say Islam. I can't write it Islam like that, because if I write it Islam, it will be Islam constant for every time. But I don't want it to be like that. I want it to change with the name of the student. If I write another name of another student, it will change also. So I will use Joy. I will go operator to operator and I will use Join. Join allow me to write two things, or to write one thing and another thing will be like variable or answer. But yeah, I will use this answer and I will write what is the degree of, and I will delete that and I will leave the answer after it. The answer will be the name of the student, because I take the answer from the last question. But by the way, I take the answer and I forgot to put another answer in add in the previous block. So let's see. Yeah, after that I will add the degree of this. I will add the answer, the new answer, because every question, every ask have answer. The answer of the first question, I will put it in the names. The answer of the second questions, I will put it in the degrees. Let's try. I want everything to be deleted from the list when I click the green flag. That's why I use when green flag clicked, delete all of names and degrees, because if I didn't do that, it will stay. Even if I click green flag from the beginning, it will stay. But now it delete every name or everything inside the names list and also the degrees list. Let's try now. What's the degree of the Islam? You see, it have saved thing, not Islam. Concentrate. Why? Because I didn't put answer in the add. Concentrate and see what I will do right now. Yeah, you see, answer. I have to put answer here. If I write anything, it will add thing, because I didn't write answer. Concentrate and see how can I solve this. Yeah, there in this thing I should put answer, the answer, that the thing that I write in the text field. So I will take answer and I will put it. And let's try from the beginning. What the student's name? Islam. Yeah, it have saved Islam. Now what is the degree of Islam? 90. Yeah, it saved 90. And again it begin from the beginning because it's loop, forever loop. So it asks again, what is the student name? If I write another name, it will save it in names also. Ahmed, for example. What's the degree of Ahmed? 50. Also, it have been saved in the degrees. Yeah, it's that easy. It's easy game or easy application to make you know how to deal with lists in programming and in mBlock. And let's see lists also in Python in another episode, another video, inshallah. See you. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work, like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my academy account. This is the academy page, and this is my Facebook page, this link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue.